Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, ACCUPLACER Review, Arithmetic, Problem 15. This is the Arithmetic ACCUPLACER Review, Problem 15. We have to take the fraction of 3/4 over 5/6 and see which one of four possible options it matches with. This is what you would call a complex fraction. It's a fraction over another fraction, and it looks horrendous, but it's actually fairly easy to deal with. What you have to remember is you leave the top fraction of 3/4 the way it is. The bottom fraction of 5/6 is inverted to 6/5. And now we multiply. Once you bring it up and invert it, it changes from a division to a multiplication. So now we have top times top. 3 times 6 is 18. Bottom times bottom. 4 times 5 is 20. So I have 18 over 20. That does not match any of the potential options that are listed. But if you notice, 18 over 20 can be reduced. They're both even. They can both be cut in half. Half of 18 is 9. Half of 20 is 10, so 9 over 10 is an option. It's option C, so it does have a match. Now again, if I was observant, I could have noticed that in the multiplication part of it, before I got an answer of 18 over 20, I had a 6 in the top and a 4 in the bottom. They're both even. I could have reduced that. Notice I have a 3 and a 6. I can't reduce those. Those are both on top. You have to have one on the top, one on the bottom. So if I cut the 6 in half, half of 6 is 3. If I cut the 4 in half, half of 4 is 2. And now top times top, 3 times 3 would have been a 9. Bottom times bottom, 2 times 5 would have been a 10. So really, you can multiply and then reduce, or you can reduce and then multiply. As the numbers get bigger and bigger, it makes more sense to reduce first than multiply. But with smaller numbers like this, it really is about the same either way. However you do it, you're going to come up with 9/10, which is one of the four options listed. It is option C.